There's a new mental health resource that could help both parents and their kids right now.
Fox 5's Regina Ahn tells us how this program that kick-started this year is unique to some parents.
Cook Center for Human Connection oversees parent guidance. This is the organization CCSD has partnered with, a tool specifically for parents. Parents get access to one-on-one coaching with a clinician on a variety of different topics.
Communicate better with your child, anxiety, support for establishing boundaries, social media.
Mark Welling, CEO of Cook Center for Human Connection, says this partnership with CCSD started in April and since has been available for parents. Head nurse Sherry McPartland for CCSD says she sees many children in a day-to-day basis, but she hopes for success starting from home.
I really enjoy connecting families to resources so we can see that child in school every day. The goal of the school district is education. That's what we're all here for.
Bring together the best practices and the best programs to improve mental well-being and mental health. And we primarily deal with partnering with school districts.
There are weekly webinars as well. Clinicians will go over things like how to talk with your child or social media. Mark says what sets this apart is the tailored counseling available.
80% of parents feel that they should receive mental health support from the schools. And so working with school counselors, school psychologists to kind of bridge that piece of going and saying, hey, we want to be able to provide a climate in the home that's most conducive for the well-being of the family.
Before you begin, clinicians will ask several questions to get to know some of the things that are impacting you the most.
Questionnaire at the beginning to kind of go through, hey, is there anything that the parent or the adult is focusing on that they're concerned about? And at that point, they're paired with the coach. It's the same coach every time. Coaching services, they will be throughout this they are live right now. And so if they go out and they sign up, they'd be paired with the coach immediately.
Sessions typically last 20 to 30 minutes. Mark says a roadmap will be made to help parents specifically navigate the needs of their child.
If you'd like to sign up your family, there is a quick registration available. Head to our website, fox5vegas.com. Just click on this story.